Welcome back, everybody. Today we have to go fill those new planter beds with strawberry plants. They came in the mail a few days ago and I should have planted them already, but I didn't. So that's what we're gonna do today. Let's go. Please open immediately, or within, 5 or 6 days. Oof, these might be dead. There's a little bit of moisture in there. Let's see what we got. Ooh, how's this gonna work? Oh, there's a rubber band on here. Well, that's stupid. Get rid of that thing. Like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. That looks like a big one. Seven, 8, 9, 10. Okay, 11. That's a pretty weak one, I think. I don't know, I'll bring it back. Missed. Is that right? Looks good. Dampen them up, they said. I don't know who they is, but I think that's what they said. So I don't think that was a lot of work putting those strawberries in tonight. It took just a few minutes. I don't even know how long this video is going to be. I don't really have anything else on my to-do list. I probably should fence those in. I've got some fence, but I would need to cut it and modify it to make it work. And in my brain, I'm just like thinking that feels like a good job for tomorrow. I've had a pretty long day today. So let's play a game. Do you think deer are gonna eat all of those strawberries tonight? If you say yes, you can either say yes or no in the comments, and then 1 week after this video is out, I'll look at the comments, and whoever was correct, I'll enter all your names in for a drawing, and I'll send you like a Woodward Acres sticker or something like that. So if you want to play along, the game is, will the deer eat the berries? If you think they will, before I get it fenced in, tell me that in the comments. If you think they won't, tell me that in the comments. Always put in where you're from, because that gives us reasons to get the maps out and my kids can still learn, but that's the game. So if you comment down below with yes, the deer will, no, the deer won't, 1 week after I post this video, we'll see who was correct, and I will I'll send you a sweet Woodward Acres sticker. I've got a few extras. So I'm gonna end the video there today. Don't forget to play along, get some Woodward Acres swag, because it's super cool, and I will see you next time. Thanks.
Can I say it and then just
Go
say,
ahead.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the bell notifications. Bye!
Bye. Peace.